To become a good music reader, it is important to recognize certain rhythm combinations as one word. I'd like to show some patterns using quarter note and half note. This combination I do see a lot. Number 2, just flip the order, half note first and quarter note. And the last one, the middle note, it's going to be half note. Let's practice using a C right here. So it's 2 count, 1 count, 2 count. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Number 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Number 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Whenever you see those combinations, you should be able to recall the rhythm in your head, and you should be able to ring the rhythm. That is a very important key to become a good sight reader.